troubleshoot.
Okay, so trying to troubleshoot the Holy Stone that will not turn on for us. Turning on the remote control first, then turning on the drone. So now we can see that the remote control and the drone are connected. Currently we have all flashing lights on the drone. So now we're going to take both joysticks to the bottom left for the calibration. As you can see, we are
on Holy Stone.
On the Holy Stone Wi-Fi connected. And here we are on the app. No error messages, just weak GPS signal. So here we are on the underside of the drone, and we have all flashing red lights. So now we're going to attempt the calibration. Picking it up, going for 3 rotations. 1, 2, 3. Tilting it up this way. 1, 2, 3. And the calibration is completed. No signals found. And we are continuing to have all flashing red lights on the propeller arms. So that's the issue that we've had, and the drone will not connect to the satellites, nor will it turn on if we are to put it on a flat level surface. And no satellites have been found. We go to start the propellers, and it just beeps. Then we pick it up and examine. All flashing red lights. We have battery. And as you can currently see, the camera still works perfectly fine on the drone. It's just all flashing red lights.
Okay. Troubleshooting.